Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful engraved wood box that I made for wedding. You can see I added the initials for the bride and the groom. These are the materials you will be needing. The first thing I did was to apply the stain all over the box using a rag. The color I'm using is called Antique and it's by Waverly. You can use whatever color of your choice. It could be something lighter or even darker. Both could look very nice. I decided not to stain the inside completely, just the rim around. Now I'm making sure that it's all dry using my heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer. Also applying the stain at the bottom. And making sure it's dry. The next step will be to add the initials on the top, and I'm using a graphite and a printout paper. Now I'm pressing with a pen to transfer the graphite into the box. You can also use carbon paper to transfer the whatever design you decide to make. Now that I already transferred, I'm going to start engraving the initials on the top of the box. The key is to not get out of the lines. I use small movements. I find this very relaxing. I really enjoy this process. Now using an eraser, I'm getting rid of the lines. And now I'm going to sand all the corners. This will give my box an antique look. That's it. I made 96 of these boxes and they came out beautiful. Thank you for watching. I love making this project. I hope you enjoy watching this video tutorial, and if you have any questions or comments, please make sure you add them. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.